Whether it's buying a home, refinancing that home, or taking out a home equity loan, the Better Business Bureau of North Alabama has tips to help make the search for a mortgage lender a success. News 19's Kelly Smith sits down with a BBB representative who breaks down all the details.
There are many reasons a homeowner or prospective homeowner would need a mortgage lender. Many prospective home buyers shop for a mortgage lender before they start finding the right home. And shopping around, comparing prices, and negotiating deals can save people thousands of dollars. And Lindsay George with the Better Business Bureau of North Alabama is here with some tips to find your perfect mortgage lender for you. So, Lindsay, why should people know how much they can spend up front?
Yes, it's very important to know how much you want to spend up front. With different lending companies, there are different loan types, interest rates, and things like that. And it's important to know your budget. How much money do you need to get the home as far as the loan? And then also, how much can you spend monthly for those mortgage payments?
And there are many different types of loans. What can people expect from a short-term loan?
Well, the short-term loan, you usually have a higher monthly payment but lower interest rates. And then you have the long-term loans, which are usually about 30 years. You may have lower payments, but you end up paying higher interest rates over time.
And there's also different interest rates. So what can people expect from a fixed rate loan?
Yeah, with a fixed rate interest loan, the rate usually stays the same. Now, if you have something that's what they call an adjustable rate, your rate may start out low in the beginning, but it has the ability to get higher as the duration of your loan goes on.
And once people pick out those things, or maybe know a little bit more about those things, why should they really shop around and get information from multiple brokers or lenders before making their final decision?
Yes, you should definitely get as much information as possible. That's why it's very important to do your research. All loans are different in their own respect. Some may have different interest rates. The down payment may be different. You need to find out information about your insurance and any other fees associated with it. That way you can get a clear view of what your actual cost will be per month.
All right, and that makes a big difference.
Yes.
All right, and so how can people negotiate the best deal with their lender or broker?
Yes, you definitely want to negotiate with your lenders or your brokers. Get them to give you a written documentation of all of the fees that are associated with that loan. That way you can really understand exactly what you're paying for.
Lindsay, thank you so much. And if you have any consumer questions or concerns, you can contact the Better Business Bureau of North Alabama. The Taking Action hotline number is 256-850-0719.